हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम जा रहे हैं इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खाने। तो यहाँ पे एक नया इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट खुला है जिसका नाम है बीमास एंड दिस इज़ वेरी नियर टू क्विड स्ट्रासा उबान स्टॉप। एंड चलो मैं तुम्हें दिखाता हूँ कैसा है ये इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट। से उसका एंट्रेंस है, चलो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। यहाँ पे अंदर बैठने के लिए बहुत अच्छा स्पेशियस है। आप लोग टीम इवेंट्स भी प्लान कर सकते हो यहाँ पे। एंड देन अगर हम आगे जाते हैं इधर तो बार के सामने यू कैन ऑल्सो हैव प्लेस टू सिट एंड एंजॉय द व्यू। एंड यहाँ पे आगे अब बाहर का भी सिटिंग है, तो यहाँ पे ऐसे देख सकते हो बाहर से भी सिटिंग है जहाँ पे आप बियर पी सकते हो एंड बियर गार्डन का व्यू एंजॉय कर सकते हो। एंड यहाँ पे मेन रेस्टोरेंट है, एंट्रेंस रेस्टोरेंट का, बीमास रेस्टोरेंट। तो ऐसा कुछ है यहाँ पे व्यू जहाँ पे आप बियर बैठ के पी सकते हो एंड देन अपना खाना भी एंजॉय कर सकते हो। चलो अभी अंदर दिखाते हैं आपको। ओके सो यहाँ पे गाइज आप देख सकते हो छोटा सा रूम भी है जहाँ पे कुछ अगर आपको इवेंट कुछ प्लान करना है लाइक बेबी शावर, बर्थडे पार्टीज, तो वो भी यहाँ पे बीमास रेस्टोरेंट में यू कैन कम एंड प्लान इट। सो वो भी आप रिजर्वेशन कर सकते हो ओके तो हमने ऑर्डर किया है बैंगन की सब्ज़ी, राइस, नान एंड यहाँ का जो स्पेशलिटी है वो है ये प्लेटर, चाट प्लेटर, जिसमें आपको मिल जाएगा रगड़ा, देन पानी पूरी, देन यू विल गेट कचौरी चाट, दही वड़ा एंड ऑल्सो वन स्वीट। और दिस ऑल थिंग्स विल बी ओनली फॉर 10 यूरो, 9.99। तो ये यहाँ का सबसे बेस्ट है। तो आप आ सकते हो एंड देन अगर आपको चाट और स्ट्रीट फूड पसंद है देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस। So today we have with us owner of Bimas restaurant, Mr. Ajay. So Ajay, could you share the food lovers that where is this restaurant, Bimas restaurant in Munich located?
Bimas restaurant is in Beschlanga 14. So you can reach by U-Bahn Friedrichstraße. Means by walk it is 10 minutes walk, and you can also take a bus, 2 stops. So with bus you will reach very fast. And here especially this restaurant is big restaurant. We have 250 seater inside and 250 seater outside. And we also have a free space where we can host parties and marriages and all those in that space. And another advantage of this location is we have more than 500 parking place.
That's really good. So tell us, food lover, about what is speciality about Bimas restaurant. So what they can specially order here, different from other restaurants in Munich.
Yeah, my main intention, I'll tell my main intention. In the food industry and many service industry, the main intention is customer satisfaction. If customer is happy, then we are happy. So our goal is customer satisfaction. So whatever food we prepare according to the customer's taste. And we want to do something out of the box from the regular Indian restaurants. Here, for example, we are missing South Indian food, so we want to focus on South Indian food. We want to do idlis, dosas, vadas, and all those. Means it will start in 3 weeks or something like that, because we ordered all the wet grinders and everything, so they are on the way. So we want to focus more in South Indian direction, and evening snacks especially. We wanted to do the evening snacks, which most of the people are missing here. Like in India, Hyderabad, in the evenings we go for on Bandis. We go and eat mirchi bhaji, pundukus, then kachoris, ragda chaat, then vada pav, pav bhajis, and all those. So at least on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, in the afternoon part we want to do those things, and we want to help our working people also who are working hard and they don't have time to prepare, and with kids, with families and all, we are starting curry point. People can come here and just order a curry at very reasonable price, and we also have a South Indian thali in the afternoons, so it will be a spread. And I have many other ideas also. For example, on Tuesdays evenings, I wanted to do a ladies' night. All the chitpata items like pani puri, ragda chaat, and all chitpata items I want to put in that, which ladies love. Women and ladies love, girls and all.
That's a great news for women and ladies in and around Munich. So really looking forward for that events.
And Wednesdays and Thursdays, I wanted to do South Indian buffet and North Indian buffet. We want to do something out of the box from the other restaurants.
Right.
So we want to show some difference within regular restaurants and our restaurants.
Yes, that's really great. So you shared about the events, and we can organize some small group event here. So could you also share details regarding that? I'll put in the description contact details of Ajay and how to reach for such events. So maybe you can share, Ajay, what is and how it will.
This restaurant is very huge. Means the intention behind taking a huge restaurant is to organize parties. So generally, if we book a hall or a party room or something like that, it is too expensive. So here we have a party room. Means maybe we'll charge very minimum, and we can host parties like birthday parties, baby showers, and marriages, then anniversaries. We can organize it, and we are doing Ganapati Puja also on September 8th, and we can also do summer food festival. So we are in discussion about summer food festival also. The space is huge, so we can do any party we want here. So,
That's
and I should not forget this, and we are also doing Hyderabadi dum biryani. So it is means we are already getting very good feedback. So we wanted to do things which people are missing in Munich. So we'll try our best to fulfill all the carvings of Indians. Today you had our food. So did you enjoy our food, and what is your feedback?
Yes, the food is really amazing. So I tried today the street food platter. So we had pani puri, we had kachori, we had dahi vada, we had the sweet, and it was really tasty, really amazing. You should definitely come to this restaurant and try this platter.
So thanks a lot. For me, in business, people see about money and income. For me, I am very happy if the customer is happy. Money, it's like a byproduct. So I want to keep it like a byproduct, and I want customer satisfaction. So we'll try for that, and I'll force my team also to work in that direction. And thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ajay, for your time, and thank you so much, guys, for watching this. Please do visit this restaurant, Bima's restaurant, located in Munich.